So try and stretch tall with your shoulders, slow down. So you want to think about, half halt, slow your post. And again, don't twist to the outside. Bring your inside shoulder back a little. So almost feel like you're turning yourself around in the circle. So good. That left hip points to her right ear. And then here again, half halt, close your hand, lean back. Yeah, a little stronger of a half halt, slower down. There, that's better, Jen. And come across your diagonal. It's okay. Just stay tall, that's better. I'm glad she's listening and slowing down. Good. And set your rhythm, so try not to let her get quicker and slower. Think about maintaining the same trot speed. Good.